The Mongolian Big Brother traded 10 cows for a legendary vehicle. A Land Cruiser V8. It's quite beat up. But the price was just too good to resist. I believe before it got this bad, it must have been a great ride. The boss gave the order to restore it to its original condition, so he can use it for farm work when it's done. When we opened the door and lifted the curtain, the inside was filled with parts everywhere. Calling it bent metal doesn't even do it justice. Overall, the car's condition isn't hopeless. At least you can still tell it's a car. No time to waste. Let's see what we can do with it. We drove the manual transmission onto the work bay, ready to strip it clean after finishing this job. I'll definitely need a couple extra bowls of rice for lunch. The boss plans to completely refurbish the interior, so now we have to remove everything inside. We'll need to be extra careful during disassembly. The cabin is full of broken glass shards everywhere. The sunshade is useless now. Take it off. Take my love. I see. A real cup holder. After finishing the interior tear down, it's time to start dismantling the battered and broken exterior as well. First, move the interior parts to the upholstery workshop for refurbishing. Then separate the body and start working on the chassis. Make sure to secure and wrap the wiring properly, and then carry out a thorough wash of the entire underbody. Send it back to the workstation and prepare to replace all the damaged and aged chassis components. With a body shell in this condition, any other repair shop would definitely suggest replacing it. But even for us, replacement is the only real option. There's no way around it, even if we were to repair it. The metal has already shown signs of fatigue. making restoration unsafe and unreliable. All the original attachments and components have been completely removed. After nearly 20 years of service, this old warrior can finally retire with honor. All the parts and attachments have been cleaned, refurbished, and reconditioned, ready to be reinstalled just like on a brand new vehicle. Replace all the fluids and oils throughout the vehicle, injecting fresh blood into its system. Mix and prepare the paint color for the vehicle. Don't know what I know. Now moving on to the interior upholstery work. The entire cabin will be restored to its original, authentic condition. Let me be. Where do you be? Transfer the vehicle to the assembly workshop, and we can begin the reinstallation process. Finally, let's take a look together at this freshly restored beauty. Just like a brand new car, straight from the factory. This if you want to play tough. I want to hate I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, got no love for the fakeness. If you want to play tough and want to hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I got no love for the fakeness. If you want to play tough and want to hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Save me everything I do. So instincted, every word I move so descriptive. I got like an acid tip better against people being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over
Isn't that
tracks.
spitting slow?
Like a
Spitting
rose,
fast,
like
think
a
I'm
gas,
okay at
but I
last.
don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness.
A reflection of thee in this hilarious.
You think you're worth my time?
Mysterious
You're
because you
delirious.
hide behind a fake
Imperial.
exterior. You know I'll always be a bit
Get off of
superior.
me.
This ain't no humble brag. I want you to.